Netflix,
HBO Max,
YouTube,
ESPN,
Netflix,
and YouTube,
Hulu.
Netflix for sure.
I asked Utah Tech students what their favorite streaming services were and what they like to watch on them.
Probably Netflix, just for series though, because they don't have that many movies variety. I like Grey's Anatomy. I like Vis-a-Vis. It's like a series from Spain.
love Breaking Bad more than anything, and Peaky Blinders. It's like those more serious, slow burn shows I like. My girlfriend and I just got done watching Castlevania though. That was fun.
Either Family Guy, One Piece, or regular show.
I mostly watch videos on YouTube, and I watch mostly movies on Netflix and either HBO Max. The current movies I'm watching right now are Kiki and Only Yesterday.
My favorite show is Gilmore Girls, and a good movie is The Notebook.
Okay, I'm gonna keep it real with you, okay? I'll be watching it on YouTube, Netflix. Scary movies, my TV show, and YouTube, I'll be watching La Rosa de Guadalupe, Como Dice el Dicho, Lo que Callan las Mujeres, and then Netflix is just like documentaries.
For me, I like some rock, some stuff that is a little more experimental as well. And I typically jump around with genres as well. It's not like it's concrete or anything.
For Sun News, I'm Sydney Johnson.